Hi, welcome to the second lecture. Okay, first I see that you cannot see my mouse. This is not nice, but anyway, okay, let's start from the basic. So, for example, I think everyone can draw a circle, but it's important that today I want to show you like all different shapes we need to draw all the time. So, I will split these pages in four, four four sides. Okay, one side here we want to draw a circle. So a circle, how is it? So you point the center is here, and here is the distance, right? So this distance should be also the same as in this side. Okay, the same measure here, like here, the same measure here. Okay, and then you connect all lines like this. Okay, I know with the finger is so difficult to do on the pad, but first or later we will learn. But for me it's not important that you are precise with the line, because I will show you a trick. So this is a circle, like make a rectangular. This means we have two, this we need to measure 1 2 3 4 corner, 1 2 3 4, and then you connect all together, 1 2 3 and 4. Then let's make a triangle. A triangle means we have 3 points and we have to connect these 3 points. Let's do so: 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 1. So this is rectangular. And then let's make which the like rhombus. So 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. So let's color with the different. So let's choose red for the circle, green for the rectangular, blue for the triangle, and violet for this rhombus shape. That's it. Then what we can do, like today I wanna tell you last better. Okay, let's do. Okay, red color. What is the complementary color of the red? The complementary color of red is violet. So let's choose violet here. So white violet is better. Okay, green. What is the complementary color of green? It's red. So let's choose red. You put here red. Okay, but better we are like this area is occupying also the other area. So let's, yeah, be sure to connect this line to the border. Otherwise, when you fill the color, you will color both areas. So it's better to make lines till the border. Then complementary of green is red. You fill with red. Complementary of blue is orange. So we color with orange. Complementary of violet is red, right? That's it. And then the first painting is done. So it's important to know about the complementary color. So let's speak about this. Let's what is a complementary color? What does it mean? Let's try a blanket color. A blanket new. Don't save because we already know. Okay, let's speak about primary and complementary color. This is so important. Okay, so let's make first a circle. Okay, with three sectors. One, so three pieces of cake. 1 2 and 3. Okay, primary color are yellow, red and blue. So yellow here, yellow, red it's here, and blue it's here. Okay, so these are the primary color. But when, oh, the secondary color, so this primary, let's put 1 because it's primary. 1 1 1. Secondary color is if you mix yellow with red, we obtain orange. Okay, let's put this sector here, that is orange. So yeah, we draw orange. No, sorry, because I don't like it overpass the area, overcross the area. So let's put here orange. Okay, and this is the secondary color. Another secondary color is here, another secondary color is here. Okay, this is the secondary color. If you mix red with blue, we obtain violet. Okay, let's draw here violet. And then if you mix yellow with blue, we obtain green. Okay, so primary color are yellow, red and blue. Secondary color are orange, violet and green. Then what is important to observe that if this is if the primary color is here, is a complementary color is what you see in the opposite position of the wheel, so it is violet. Okay, so this is, let's say, so we can say that the complementary color of the primary color yellow is violet. Then the complementary color of red is what we find in the opposite direction of the wheel, green. So the complementary color of red is green, and the complementary color of blue is orange, sorry. Okay, so this is very important. Why complementary color are important? Because why they are important? Let's see what is the reason why they are so important. Because, so let's draw here. Okay, if you have yellow, we said that the complementary color of yellow is violet, okay, because in the opposite position. So let's put violet here. Okay, then if you see here, there is a big contrast because here we have like they are summarized all three color in two, because the all three primary color in two color. So the first color yellow is a primary color, and the other two primary color are included in the violet, because violet is blue and red. That's why there is a big contrast, and this is so important. Like we will use for shadow, so we can use for many things. But the important to remember is a big contrast. When yellow is next to the violet, the yellow color is very bright. I can show you this because, for example, if next to the yellow you put blue, it's not so bright. You see, it's a bit, there is not big contrast. While with violet, it's much contrast. It's much effective. Okay, let's continue with the second example. So with the second example, we use red, for example. The second primary color is red. Okay, here is the second red. Let's put here and the third. Okay, the third the blue. Okay, what is the complementary color of the primary red? The complementary color of primary red is green. So let's draw here green. So this is a big contrast. So it's important to remember that this is so makes next each other red and green is so important, because there is a big contrast. And why this? Because the red is a primary color, and the green contain, the green here, okay, contain in this meantime yellow and blue. So that's why yellow and blue. So in these two color, we have actually there are three hidden color: red, yellow and blue. Okay, let's do here the third example. So third example, what we put next to the blue, we put the blue next to the blue what we see in the opposite of the wheel, in the opposite position of this wheel, that is orange. So let's put orange here. So you see here there is another big contrast between the blue and orange. Blue is a primary color and orange contain in like let's say in a hidden way the yellow and the red. So a yellow and the red here. So in two colors we have the three primary color and this is make a big contrast. Okay, this is so important to remember. So here in this column you see the primary color yellow, red and blue, and here in the second column we see the secondary color that are violet, green and orange. Okay, I think this is a short overview of color theory, but I think this for today is enough. Then I would suggest you to make some a little bit play about this color and see this theory that is so important. Okay, for today is enough. Okay, I wish you a nice day and see you next time. Bye.